So in any photo you see lately on Instagram or anything like that, this is how I do it. Don't judge. Air it out. Bang it. Bang it. Hello and welcome to my channel. So many requests recently to share like a hair care video, and I'll just show you quickly if I stand up how the shape of my hair looks. Sort of like loose beachy wave. I really like it. It's actually very cost effective because this video isn't sponsored or anything like that. I'm just sharing what I genuinely use on my hair just so you know, and I'm not shoving like any products down your throat. It's not happening in this video. I want to be like super genuine so you can see. Please ignore my disgusting background. It's yeah, just ignore it. It'll be better soon. I'll show you a quick little before so you can see what we're starting with. Hello everyone, I'm like just starting the process of the hair. I was gonna do like a before and after, but you can see this is my natural hair. It's just like long and flat. So we're in my bathroom now, and I'm gonna show you in the shower what I use. As I'm filming this, I'm about to have a shower. I'm about to wash off my tan, so ignore, it won't be this crazy in a minute because I've got to wash off all the bronzing bit. But anyway, so for shampoo and conditioner, at the minute I just use the Aussie brand. This you can get from any supermarket in the UK, any pharmacy. They're really quite affordable. They're always on special. Sometimes they're like £5. They make my hair so soft and shiny, and I just think they work amazing. But if I wasn't using this, I also use e-salon, but I'm waiting for another shipment. So for the meantime, I've been using this. And then for conditioner, I've got the even bigger bottle version. So when it comes to hair masks, ooh, I might use this one today because my hair can go super frizzy when I dry it for some reason. I don't really know why. So we're gonna use this guy today. Of course, if you want a direct link to anything, everything as always is in my description. So here we are, starting off with this lion's mane, which we're gonna tame in a second. The first thing that I use when my hair is damp is this, which is the GHD Advanced Split End Therapy. So I need to get all my hair in the frame. I actually cut my own hair like 2 days ago. I cut about 3 or 4 inches off it. It's still quite long, but to me it feels really short. I run that through the ends, and then I'm gonna get my middle parting. I just let it air dry. Really good because for the Airwrap, which I'm about to use, it's actually best if your hair is like not super wet, just damp. So this is perfect. And I will always find it bloody hilarious how the first time that I filmed a video with my Airwrap, I had no idea what I was doing and I looked like an absolute idiot. Like, such an idiot, honestly. I was so excited about receiving it that I just used it without watching any reviews. So I'm like, I'm gonna do a first impressions, and like basically used it wrong on like a review video, and it was just like, what are you doing, Danny? I've learned how to use it now and I absolutely bloody love it. I'm gonna start with the left side of my head. So I go from my eyebrow and I'm just gonna pick up this section of hair here and then clip it back. With the good old Airwrap, I use this, which is the really long hair tong, and I've actually put like a little R because I got so confused. So they do have extra long barrels for extra long hair like myself. Wrap it around, bring it up, and then you'll see as I let go what happens. Like it wraps and keeps wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. I'm just gonna brush it quickly. It is that like loose beachy wave which we wanted. And then I'm gonna run through and do this bit, that bit, and I'll show you what I do at the top. Okay, so I have done this side, so then I quickly do this with my fingers. I have the GHD Final Fix Hairspray. This is like, it makes your hair like straw, so be careful. And then I add a bit of hairspray onto it, and I keep it curled like this. And then what I do, normally I have like a baggy shirt on or something, but I will just remove the clip and then pop it in here. And then I do the top half. So with like any other curler, I'd normally do the bottom half of each side and then the top. But because with the Airwrap, you need to change the barrel for the left side and the right side. I just do the left side once and then the right side after it. And then we're gonna repeat again. I have a sweaty sweaty top lip. How beautiful. But okay, so then I'm gonna take the clip out, and before I hairspray the top, I like mix them together. So we'll do this, we'll scrunch it up and then brush through. I do the bottom separate from the top just so that I ensure that I get all of it, more than for the style, if you know what I mean. It's more just to make sure that all the hair's curled, and then we blend it together at the end. Now I will leave this kind of like stiff until I do the other half. So basically I'm gonna wrap it up like this, which looks delicious, right? I'm just gonna leave it like that while I do the other half. This is before we like, you know, scrunch it out and everything like that. So I'm just gonna use my fingers first to remove, you know, the bunchiness, and just spread it out. All I'm gonna do from here is a bit more hairspray, and I find that like this lasts me 3 or 4 days of being like exactly the same shape. It doesn't really drop that much. Okay, now is the fun part. Now is when I get up, and what we do is a head banging thing, which I've shown you before, I swear, but I like to just at this point scrunch like this, and then on a racetrack all of a sudden. This is where I literally like go crazy, so don't judge. Air it out, bang it, bang it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And I just find for me this gives me its volume, which I like. And the last thing that I do, which, where is it gone? I really find this does, just throw it on the floor 1 sec. This does really make a difference to my hair, it really helps. This is the GHD Final Shine Spray, which I pop. And then push it through once more. And now this is the final look of my hair. This is how I wear it all the time these days. And any photo you see lately on Instagram or anything like that, this is how I do it, and I absolutely love it. I think the long hair rods for the Airwrap are an absolute game changer, so thank you DYSON for gifting those to me. They watched the previous fail of a video that I did, and they were like, you need the long barrels because your hair is extra long. And even though, like I said, I cut it the other day, it still feels like short to me, but whatever, at least it looks healthier. I literally cut it with kitchen scissors, like chop chop. So yeah, that is my entire hair care routine. That is how I wash and style it. I would 100% recommend getting an Airwrap. I think they're amazing. They save so much time, and they're not as heat damaging for your hair because it's just hot air, it's not heat panels. I wish I knew what I was talking about, but I have no idea. So anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and all products you've seen will be linked below. So until next time, guys, bye.